Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely great. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you how to fix Frigidaire refrigerator beeping. So in order to fix this issue, I was searching for the solution. Then I came across reddit.com and this post where this person was asking the same question. So here in response to this particular person, let's just see what he is actually saying. So this person is saying, I experimented a lot and in the end I managed to make it work by unplugging the fridge, opening the door and plugging the fridge back in with the door open. It made the fridge beep some complicated error code, and then it turned on and started working normally. Just had to adjust the temperature. So you can also try the same method and you are done. Or what you can do is you can simply just scroll down and try to find some other methods to try. Like this one, I read that by holding down the reset button for 5 seconds. If there is not a reset button, you can hold down the crush button for 5 seconds. Neither worked for me, nor did unplugging it for several seconds, then plug it back in. Mine is losing temperature fast, of course. It's 97 degrees outside. I need to find the correct reset and fast. So you just have to simply scroll down and you can just find the solution. But in my opinion, this would definitely work for you. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.